Most people check specs on a new smartphone expecting the usual upgrades. A better camera, a brighter screen, maybe a faster processor. But recently, something surprising has started showing up in US smartphones. A feature that used to belong only in professional gear, rescue equipment, and high-end tools. Thermal cameras. Not add-ons, not accessories, built in, right next to your regular camera lenses. So the question is becoming impossible to ignore. Why are thermal cameras suddenly entering mainstream smartphones in the US? The first reason is simple. Everyday usefulness. Multiple US consumer studies show that Americans are looking for more practical features in their smartphones, not just more megapixels. And a thermal camera is one of the most practical sensors a phone can have. It can detect heat in total darkness. It can find hot spots, cold spots, moisture leaks, overheating electronics, or missing insulation. It can see things the human eye and regular cameras can't. For homeowners, DIY users, electricians, plumbers, campers, and even parents checking for fevers, a thermal camera instantly becomes a tool you never knew you needed until you use it once. The second reason is the boom of smart home devices. As American homes adopt more Wi-Fi routers, sensors, tablets, LED strips, cameras, and hubs, there's a growing need to diagnose overheating and malfunctioning devices. A thermal camera lets users spot overheating chargers, overloaded power strips, failing appliances, blocked vents, inefficient insulation, and electrical hotspots. Tech support calls drop, DIY repair confidence increases, and smart homeowners get a powerful way to monitor safety. The third reason is tied to home inspection and real estate trends. The US housing market has become more competitive and more expensive. Buyers want to know exactly what they're paying for. Sellers want to detect problems before listing, and inspectors want faster tools. Thermal cameras help find hidden water leaks, missing insulation, drafty windows, roof moisture, mold-prone areas, and HVAC inefficiencies. This used to require expensive professional gear. Now, a phone can do it in seconds, and that's incredibly appealing for millions of Americans. The fourth reason is safety and security. Thermal cameras can detect people or animals in complete darkness. They can also help users navigate low-visibility situations like fog or smoke. In rural areas, this is a major advantage, especially for outdoor workers, campers, hikers, and emergency situations. It's a unique form of vision that no traditional camera can replicate. The fifth reason is the growth of content creators and tech reviewers. Thermal imaging opens up a niche that creators love. Temperature tests, gaming phone stress tests, gadget comparisons, teardown videos, and energy efficiency checks. Creators influence buying decisions. When they showcase thermal features, demand increases. Brands are paying attention. The sixth reason is more strategic: differentiation. Smartphone innovation has slowed. Every year feels like brighter screen, better camera, faster chip, bigger battery. Consumers are becoming numb to the usual upgrades, so brands need something that stands out. And thermal sensors do exactly that. They're visually cool. They're instantly useful. They make headlines. They give brands a new selling point beyond megapixel wars. The seventh reason is the rise of outdoor tech culture in the US. More people are camping, hiking, off-roading, hunting, and exploring than ever before. Thermal cameras are incredibly helpful outdoors, spotting wildlife at night, checking for heat signatures around campsites, detecting overheating car parts on long trips, and navigating dark trails. This feature taps directly into the growing lifestyle of rugged tech users. The eighth reason is the influence of first responders and trade workers. Firefighters, electricians, construction crews, HVAC technicians, and security personnel have used thermal cameras for years. Now that thermal imaging is shrinking and becoming cheaper, smartphone brands see an opportunity to reach professionals directly. And when a tool becomes useful for workers, mainstream adoption usually follows. The ninth reason is battery and chip efficiency improvements. Thermal sensors used to be large and power-hungry, but modern versions are tiny and energy efficient. Phone processors can now handle thermal imaging without lag, and batteries can support the sensor without draining quickly. This makes integration finally practical, something that wasn't true even 5 years ago. The 10th reason is one most people never consider: insurance and safety. Applications. Some insurers in the US are starting to encourage customers to check for fire hazards or energy inefficiencies using thermal scans. A phone with a thermal camera makes this incredibly easy, giving users a cheaper way to detect early risks. Brands are anticipating this shift and want to get ahead of it. So what does all of this mean for the future of US smartphones? It means thermal imaging is no longer a niche feature. It's moving mainstream because it solves real problems. It saves money, it improves safety, it helps homeowners, it empowers creators, it differentiates devices, and it unlocks capabilities no regular camera can match. We're entering a new era where smartphones aren't just communication tools. They're turning into advanced multi-purpose gadgets packed with sensors once found only in professional equipment. Thermal cameras won't replace normal cameras, but they will become a powerful secondary tool, one that many Americans will eventually expect as standard. In a world where smartphone innovation feels repetitive, thermal imaging is one of the rare features that feels genuinely new and genuinely useful.